How do I find money to pay for college? Hi, this is Matt Swaim. I'm one of the counselors at Fishers High School. Today, I want to help you understand the basics on finding ways to pay for college. Let's do a short vocab lesson first. There are a couple of key terms that you need to know when discussing financial aid. The FAFSA stands for the Free Application for Federal Student Aid. Everyone should fill out the FAFSA. Completing the FAFSA will help you determine how much money you will have to pay to go to college. You will need to complete your taxes for the previous year first. The FAFSA is the first step in searching for grants and loans. The Expected Family Contribution, or EFC, is a measure of your family's financial strength and how much of your college cost your family should plan on covering. This is calculated based upon a specific formula, which considers taxed and untaxed income, as well as the size of your family and the number of family members attending college during the year. Your EFC is calculated based upon your FAFSA results. A grant is free money. It is given to you to pay for college and you don't have to pay it back. Many grants will be based upon the results from your FAFSA. A loan is different from a grant because you do have to pay it back. Loans can be issued by the federal government and private lenders. Quite simply stated, a scholarship is money that is given to a student to pay for college. This sum of money may be based on academic merit or it could be need-based. Tuition is the cost of attending school, while room and board are the fees that are associated with your living expenses. Now that we have explained some of the financial aid vocabulary, let's talk about the steps that you should follow to pay for college. Apply for college early so that you are eligible for scholarships from colleges. Many colleges award aid from their own funds, money from donations, and gifts from alumni. You may hear various suggestions about the best way to apply for scholarships. The truth is, what works for one person may not work for another. There are no secrets to applying. The best advice is to use common sense and follow directions. Researching scholarships, requesting information and application materials, and completing applications all take time. I would encourage using a scholarship search to get started. What is a scholarship search? The most common way to search for a scholarship is on the internet. Websites like FastWeb and scholarships.com are great ways to find out about scholarships. Completing the FAFSA allows you to be considered for the greatest amount of financial aid from federal, state, and college sources, and it's free to fill out. In Indiana, it's due March 10th. The first step in completing your FAFSA is establishing a FSA ID number. You can do this at fsaid.ed.gov. Once you have this number, you will be able to complete your FAFSA at fafsa.ed.gov. Once again, keep in mind that the FAFSA is free. Be careful about websites that want to charge you money to complete the FAFSA. Do you want more help or information? Please visit the Fishers High School Guidance website and click on the Scholarships and Financial Aid link. The Fishers High School counseling staff is always there to help you. If you have any additional questions about financial aid or scholarships, please sign up and meet with your counselor.